dope if you ain't selling that. You heard? Got some young nigga pull up and sat some Hellcats on the curb.
This is a SS motherfucker. My boy Chris.
My boy Freak Nash.
I did. My boy in that GT. And we got the city out here today, man. We slide. Yeah, I hit him. Teach how to drive this bitch, Luke, on the Bible, boy. I'm gonna show you today how to drive this bitch. Block it out, block it out. Man, what else?
If they yield.
Oh, you, I'm gonna drive it. Hold on. SRT, what up, though, nigga?
Damn, what them trucks at?
Miles. What y'all want to do? Look, you finna burn out. What y'all want to do?
What?
They finna start it, nigga.
Cause that's everybody down there or what? Let's get his ass back.
That nigga ran.
She got behind.
That don't sound so good. Yes, sir.
He got his shit back.
Coming this car around?
What? Who? What? Oh, these?
Yeah.
Oh, nah, that ain't no skate.
Yes, sir.
Y'all see what's going on?
They probably did what you call did.
Reggie. You know, Reggie got them V6 tires on his shit. But his shit ain't got the body though.
I'm saying, look at his Instagram now. Bitch like skate. He got the flip. Man, it's like skate. That's that Hellcat motherfucker, boy. I'm finna give you one of them bitches. Open the door so high. Catch up, monster. Nigga. You gotta kill yourself. Oh God, when he drunk, that man be about to kill himself.
He in the parking lot by himself though.
Oh, they put leaves on third with me.
That motherfucker so hard.
What we finna do with that?
Like a bear is there.
Wait,
Look at that motherfucker.
oh, you break that?
Well, man, the police ain't been do shit. And he all they ass ticketed. If he pull over in front of us, he fucked. They police y'all. The Mustang be getting your seat. I know he back now. Hit the- Train transport kill a nigga anytime. Shit, ain't shit going on.